Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you this powerful SpaceX Tesla investment. It comes with investment, comes with livestock, crypto wallet, it has buying of cars, you can invest in Tesla cars and a lot and a lot of features in this particular website. So you can see this is actually the front page of this particular SpaceX. It is a very sleek and beautiful design. All right, very clean, straightforward. All right, so basically, I'll just show you the dashboard so we can see how all the particular feature this particular website it has. All right, so in this particular video, I'll be showing you how the website works and also how you can set up this particular website yourself or for your clients. Right, so once you log into the dashboard, you will see this powerful dashboard right here. You can see your name, you can see your total balance, we have your total profit, total deposit, total withdrawal, then you have your bonus right there. All right, so let's move on to this section here, which is sidebar here. So we have account statement. All right, so for account statement, will just be your account history. So you can choose to see this particular tab here. You can see all your deposit history, what one I've done so far. You can see your withdrawal history to switch the tab. Then you can click on others. You can see other history, let me your bought investments, purchase plan and stuff like that right there. All right, so that's all for that particular section. All right, the other part is the investment section. So in the investment section, we have all plans. So all plans are all the particular plans on the this particular website, which can be edited directly from the admin. You can choose to edit or add other plans. Then if you want to invest, you just put your amount. Then you set your minimum the join plan. All right, so that feature again in this particular website is the stock plans. All right, so we have a lot of stock which you can buy. All right, you can invest in different stocks and you can also still edit that directly from the admin. It's very powerful. All right, so we still have cryptocurrency. All right, for the cryptocurrency aspect, you can choose to invest in different cryptocurrency, just like you want to invest in Bitcoin, different cryptocurrencies. All right, so you can choose to put the amount you want to invest. You can click on invest in this coin. All right, that is for investments cryptocurrency, which can be also be edited and you can also still add more from the admin. All right, so let's go to the real estate. All right, for the real estate, we can also see invest in different real estates. All right, which is really powerful. This is like super powerful. All right, for the real estate, we can the same thing. You can choose to see different real estate plan right here. You can put the amount and you can invest. Those can still be edited from the admin. So I have my portfolio. So for my portfolio, is just basically every single thing you have done on your portfolio so far, how much is hidden for you every day and stuff like that. You can see that right there, right? Performance history. For performance history, you can just see all your trades. This is your trading history. You can see your winning, your loss. Let me trade on the particular stuff right there. You can see all those history right there. So that's all for the investment section. So let's go to the car inventories. Let's browse cars. So basically, you can actually still buy um other cars directly from this platform too. Right? You can click on other cars. Click on other cars. You can see more details about the car. Then you can click on other car if you want to do that. Then my orders. So for my orders, will just basically be all the cars you have ordered. So you can also still view that. You can also still see the invoice of that particular one. So that's for the cars inventory. We have VIP cards. So the VIP card, well, I can say buy cards. So you can also still buy VIP cards. All right. So you can see them here. You can see details about the card. See details about the card. You can choose to purchase this card. That's for VIP cards. All right. You have my membership, so you can see the particular membership you belong to. You can see them right there. Right. So we have giveaways. So this platform also still come with giveaways, so you can browse on different giveaways. There's no active giveaway yet, so you can do that from the admin end. And giveaways entries, it should be your giveaways entries, the one you have applied to, or the giveaways. All right. All right. So let me to the next feature, which is the trading. So you can choose to trade on live markets. All right. So if you want to trade on live market, you can see different cryptocurrency right here. So you can choose to trade in a particular one. You can click on trade. Click on trade, you will see more details about that particular Bitcoin. You can see the current rate and all of that. You can put your other type limit, stop loss, just like a normal trading platform. See the chart, you can analyze your chart. You can choose to buy that particular um, trade. So, right, so you also still come with copy trading, where you can copy other users, other top people in the websites who are doing well. You can see their performance rate and all of that. You can click on view. As click on view, you can see if this is a good fit for you, then you can choose to buy it. All right. All right. So the next part is the AI trading bot. All right. So this also comes with AI trading bot. You can choose to browse different bots that will be trading for you automatically. You can be hitting percentage and format too. All right. So that can also still be edited from the admin. I will show you when we get to the admin session. So we have wallet and finance. You can see your deposit. You can see if you choose, if you want to deposit on the platform, you can see the different deposit method. You also see withdraw funds. If you want to withdraw your funds, you can choose to withdraw your funds. You can see we have different method right there. All right. We also still have internal transfer. So for an internal transfer, you can choose to transfer to a particular user on the website. Once you can put their email or their username, put their amount, you just transfer to that particular user. So basically, all right, we still have the profile setting, verify, which comes with your KYC too. If you're not doing your KYC, you have to do your KYC, then your referral programs, then support center, right? So basically, that's just all the features in this particular website for the user side, which is a lot and a lot of features. We are come to the trading, different trading, live trading, copy trading, AI trading bots. We have investment, you can invest in stock, in crypto, real estate, and a lot come with. You can also still have VIP cards and giveaway, which is a lot and a lot of feature. All right, the next part of this particular video should show you the admin interface. All right. All right, so once you log into the admin, it will take you to this particular interface, which you are seeing right now. I see total deposit, pin deposit, total withdrawal, pending, total users, active users, block users, and invest plans. All right, basically. So if you click on manage users, so manage users is to see all the users on this particular platform. You can click on user and scroll and click on manage. So let's say you want to manage this particular user. Right here, you can choose to credit or debit the user, turn on upgrade signal status, turn on upgrade plan status, trade for this client. You can set number of trades for withdrawal, add plan history. You can do signal strength, set withdrawal code for this particular client. You can reset the password, you can clear the account, you can edit the account, you can add referrals, notify user, dashboard. That's to send notification. You can send email, and you can also still log in to that particular user, right? So that's all for that user session. Then we have manage deposits. So manage deposit will be a place where you can manage your deposits on a particular platform. You can choose to edit or process a particular deposit. We have manage withdrawals. All right, you see all the withdrawals which I've done here. You can choose to process the withdrawals, right? We have manage trades. So manage trades basically is where you can manage all the trades of a particular user. If you want to um, set the trade to win or loss, you can choose to edit a particular user trade. Once you edit the trade, you can choose to change the status of the trade, update the trade. You can set the profit, the loss, and stuff like that right there. Choose to change the status too, right? Let's go to this session, the next session, which is the bot trading. Bot trading, we have all trading bots, so you can choose to see all the trading bots which you have. You can choose to edit or add a new one, generate 20 trading per bot. So you can choose to do that there. So I have add bot if you want to add bot, then bot analytics. You have bot analytics here. You can see how your bot is performing. You have car dealership. You can see all the cars available. So you can choose to add new cars and delete a particular card or delete a particular car. Right? So you can see car orders. So people that have actually add other cars, you can choose to process that particular order right from this session. Then for the VIP card, you can see all your VIP cards, all the ones you have added. You can choose to edit or delete a particular one depending on you. Alright. So you can also see view VIP orders. So people have ordered for your VIP your cards, you can choose to edit them right here. In giveaways, we have all giveaways. So you can choose to create a particular giveaway. You can choose to create it. You can choose to um, edit or delete it or add new one depending on you. You can see create giveaways right from there. Add investments, legacy plans. So you can see all your plans of investment. You can choose to edit or delete wherever you want. And you can see active investments, ROI management. So I have receipt generator. For the receipt generator, you can choose to generate receipt for a particular user. And you can also generate new receipt now. If you click on generate new receipt, I put the name, put this name, put the currency, receipt type, just generate it. You can set the template, you can generate that particular receipt. And once you send it, put the person email here. Once you send it, you generate a receipt for that um particular coin, which is the template, which is it can be Binance or Bitcoin or Bit style. Alright, that's a receipt generator. So we have copy trading. So we have um copy trading. So you can see your copy trading plans. Copy trading plans, you can see all your trading plans right there. You can see that right there. For copy trading, we have KYC. So for KYC, you can see all the users that have done a KYC. You can choose to edit a particular user. We also have the app settings. App settings, you can choose to see how to set your website name, title, announcement, welcome message, and all of that. Your logo, you have your preference. You can put your email there, your currency, announcements, and choose to off or enable different things on your particular website. So basically, that is everything for you. You can see how the admin and the user side actually work simultaneously and they are working fine. All right. So the next part of this particular video now is to show you how you can also set up this particular website. All right. This is very, very easy. You can do this in less than 5 minutes. All right. So let's start with that now. All right. So basically now we're going to show you how you can actually use this. All right. So basically what you'll be needing for this process, you'll be needing your cPanel, all right, which is your domain name and hosting. If you don't know how to get that, you can contact us and we'll guide you on how you can get your domain name and hosting. All right. So basically, once you log into your cPanel, you see an interface like this. Just scroll down and see, you will see file, you see file manager, or you can also just search for file manager right here. Basically, since it's already here, I'll just click on file manager. Once click on file manager, it will take you here. Scroll down and see public underscore HTML. So you click on it. Once click on it, you just scroll down, then you go to once you scroll down, you just click on upload. But I've already created the subdomain which I'll be using because it's a test work. But just follow the same process and upload it inside this public underscore HTML. Click on upload. So me, I'll just look for my subdomain which I have created before, which is this. All right. It's two. So now I'll just click on upload. Remember, you're uploading your own inside the public underscore HTML. I'll click on select file or whatever directory we want. So click on select file, then I will just click on the file right there and click on it, open. Alright, so basically we just have to wait for it to finish uploading, wait for it to get to 100% and the color change to green. Alright, so let's wait and alright, so basically while this is uploading, let's move on to the next step. So go back to this section when you log into your cPanel, search for DB database wizard, this particular one right there. Make sure you're searching for this database wizard. Click on database wizard. Once you click on database wizard, put the database name you want to use. You can use any name of your choice. So basically I'll just use this same name. Alright, this same name, I'll just name it just like click on next step. Alright, once I click on next step, it will ask me to put my username. So for my username, I'll just use the same name. You can put whatever name you want, does not matter. Then for my password, I can click on password generator. I can copy this password and click on use password. But what I'll just do, since it's just for demo sake, I'll just copy the same name right here. I'll put it here and I'll put it here so that my username, my password, my database name will actually be the same thing. Now click on create user. Alright, so once I click on create user, it's going to ask me to allow as I want to connect the database to the user. So just click on allow all privileges. You can either click on make changes or next step. So I'll click on make changes. Alright, once I click on make changes, just wait for it to load. Alright, so basically once you see this, you just know that you are finished creating your database and your username. And once you're on this same page, just go to this search bar and search for PHP MyAdmin. So click on PHP. So once you search for the PHP MyAdmin, you click on it. So just pay attention to the database you created. The name I used was Testlight. This is just right here. So just look for the database you created. All right. So while you click on that, let's see if it's okay. This has finished uploading. So just remain. Once you click on the database, just remain on this particular page. Click on import. Once you click on import, alright, once you click on import, just remain here like this. So go back to this part which you want your uploading. You cancel this. You come back here and click on reload, which is the part you uploaded it. So right click and click on extract. Click on extract file. Once you click on extract files, alright, once you click on extract files, alright, click on extract file, close it, reload. As you reload, I'll just delete this zip file, I don't need it anymore. Then every single thing inside this folder, I'll enter that folder, select everything, then I'll move it outside. Since it's public underscore HTML, you upload it, you'll be like this. But mine is a subdomain, so I'll just move it inside my subdomain, which is like this. Then I'll click on move files. Once I click on move files, it will be outside here like this. Alright. So now just right click, look for this env file, right click and click on edit. Once click on edit, so database username and password, I'll come back here. Remember my database name, my password, and my username are the same thing. So I'll just put this here, put this here, put this here, put this here. Alright. Then for your site URL, will go here. So my site URL will be something like this: test2 at domain-solutions.com. So to be like this. So you just put your own domain name right here, HTTP, like that. Then once you're done, you click on save. Once you click on save, right? You come back here, you see an SQL folder here. Enter this SQL folder, just download it. But I already have it in my system already. Double click to download. Click on browse. Click on browse. You just select that SQL file that I already have it here, which is this. I'll click on open, and I'll scroll down and click on import. And once I click on import, once you see a success message at the top here like this, you just know that it has finished importing. So basically that is how you can set up this particular website. As you can see, it's very, very easy to set up. Find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see awesome video like this. See you in the next one.